Hello friends, welcome to our channel. In this video, we are going to discuss English annual exam paper for first class. Total 80 marks, 2 hours 45 minutes. So first one is answer the short type question and answers. Short question answers they are given. Total 10 questions they have given. One question carries 2 marks. So total 20 marks. First question: which animals are kept as pets? So which animals kept as pets? Dogs, cats, and birds are kept as pets. What does a pet dog do? What does a pet dog do? A pet dog guard. A pet dog guards us. Next one. What do teachers teach in schools? What do teachers teach? Lessons. Teachers teach us lessons in the school. Who rings the school bell? School watchman rings the school bell. What should we do if we are hurt? What should we do? We should apply any ointment. Should we take good care of our pets? Yes. We have to take good care of pets. Who is your principal? Your school principal name you have to write name. What is school? What is your school name? You can write. Next. Where should you cross the road? Where should you cross the road? Where is zebra line? There you have to cross the road on the zebra line. What can happen if you play near the lighter gas burner? If we play near the fire, lighter gas burner, nothing but the fire. If we play near the fire, then fire can catch your body, or otherwise fire can catch our dress. So this is the first Roman. Next, second Roman, true or false. Total 10 true or false are there. One carries 1 mark. We must be careful and follow what our elders say. Yes, it is true. We should push one another in the school. No, it is false. We should not play near the light stove or gas burner. Yes, it is true. We should touch an open circuit or white. No, false. We should swallow any medicine. Swallow nothing but navaladam. Okay, swallow nothing but navaladam. So it is false. We should not swallow medicine. We should drink. We should not tease any animal. Yes, it is true. We should cross the zebra line at the zebra crossing. Yes, it is true. A pet dog guards at home. True. We should respect our parents and elders. Yes, true. Don't make noise in the classrooms. True. So next Roman, fill in the blanks, total 10 marks. Okay, first one. We keep our classroom dash and dash. We keep our classroom clean and neat. Clean and neat. When we receive something, we say thank you. When we ask something, we say please. When we have done something wrong, we say sorry. In our classroom, there are many dash and dash. In our classroom, there are many boys and girls. Next, on the wall there are dash and dash. On the wall there are, so on the classroom wall we have some charts. Charts will be, and some pictures. Pictures nothing but some drawings. Okay. Next, the sweeper has a dash to sweep the room. Sweeper has a broom. Broom nothing but cheapery. Next, fourth Roman, there are match the following, column A, column B. So the principal, where the principal will be? In the office. The principal will be in the office. There are lot of books in the library. Books will be in the library. Functions are held in school hall. There are charts and maps on the wall. And we study in the classroom. These are the matching. Next Roman is underline the correct answers. So total 6 questions. Six questions they are given, 1 mark. Let us see those questions. These are the questions they are asked. We love to dash with others. Play or fight? Play is the correct answer. Sharing things with others. Sharing things with others. Hurts pleases me. While going to classroom or assembly, we run ahead, form a queue. Yes, form a queue. Next, we reach school in time. Any time of the day, not in time. The driver takes the children home in the school bus. My friend always speaks politely or rudely, politely to everyone. Once again, let us see answer. He loves to play with others. Sharing things with others pleases me. While going to classroom or assembly, we form a queue. We reach school in time. The driver takes the children home in the school bus. My friend speaks politely to everyone. Next, 6th Roman. Write any 3 good manners in your classroom. This question carries 7 marks. You have to write any 3 points on good manners. Okay, good manners, you have to write any 3 points. 7th Roman, write any 3 good manners we should follow. What good manners we should follow? Those points you can write any 3 points. 7th Roman also carries 7 marks. 6th Roman also carries 7 marks. Next, answer the following long question and answers. Total 2 questions they have given. One question carries 5 marks. Total 10 marks. Should we touch electric switches? If not, why? Should we touch electric switches? Should not, why? If not, why? So no. Basically answer will be no. Because we should not touch the electric switches. If we touch the electric switches, they may chance to occur a shock to our body and they may cause problem to us. So next question B also they ask, what should we do if we get hurt? If we get hurt, we have to apply urgently. We have to apply any ointment, or otherwise we have to take any safety cares, and we have to take care of our injury, hurt. Where the place hurt, we have to take care. So this is the 2 questions. So this is our paper. So this is our paper for first class. So this is our paper for first class annual exam paper. Thanks for watching. So please subscribe to our channel and press the bell icon which is beside of the subscribe button.